air-conditioned room.
Yay!
It's awesome. Oh,
Laura
the gondolas.
has particular needs. Chicken, classic years.
Are we there yet? Oh, heated pool. This is so cute. I love the theming of this. Try it this way. Hold your phone against the lock. It's really cute. So the reason why I got it is because Landon loves Mickey. And then it's got this sliding door so I can close it off when I get ready when she's sleeping.
Is that an armor or is that might be a Murphy bed?
Look, she's already excited to see Mickey.
Yeah. Oh god, that's gonna tilt here. Let's do it. Right. Yeah, that's a Murphy bed.
Oh yeah. Oh no, I didn't get a tub. Oh, I didn't get a tub. We're gonna have to move rooms.
It's a luxury resort, Clara.
I can't wash her like this.
This doesn't work well on the show. Something.
What are you doing down there?
Unable to lock door.
Just saying it, gonna make it work. Please edit it, because that makes Disney look bad. Oh, it's blinking, see?
Unable. Let's go to the front desk.
They won't let you do it? Call them and have them send someone out here.
Won't be. It'll be
I don't
decorated.
want you to make that
Thank you
face.
for your patience. I'm bringing up your reservation so I can check this for you.
Oh, it's bigger.
By the way, you have to pay $100 more.
Does she actually? Let's make sure it has it's like more square, has a connecting room. A tub! Yay! Very nice. Oh, double shower heads. Lots of storage. Very nice. What do you have? Are you excited to be at Disney again? Love the Mickeys. Look, so this is the pack and play. It's really nice. I was a little worried, but it's really nice. Then there's a little fridge and a coffee station with Joffrey's. That's gonna be nice. Oh, that was stressful. It took a while. But my magic band worked when my phone didn't. Oh, the safe is in there. And you got 3 drawers there. Nice. Mickey. Mickey. Say hiya, pal. Hiya, pal. Hiya, pal. Mickey. Say hot dog, hot diggity dog. Mickey. Hiya, pal. You're so cute, Land. You're so cute. You're so... Whoa! I'm currently sitting on the floor in Pops and Dre's standard room. We switched rooms because the first room had a shower and I have a 1-year-old and So she is out there waiting for her to fall asleep to get in the shower. It's about 7:30 at night. It is so dark in there. So the reason why I picked this resort, I haven't stayed at a value resort in over probably 20 years. I stayed at a moderate once in the past 20 years, but I haven't been in a value in like 20 years, and they remodeled these rooms. Landon loves Mickey, so I love that they had the Mickey pop art above the bed. The layout is perfect with the Murphy pull-down bed since it's just her and I. The crib can get tucked away in the corner. It is so dark in there with the door closed. I can shower and get ready here at night, and in the morning, if she usually wakes up early, but if I can sneak in here and get ready before she wakes up, and then I can stay on my computer and watch like TV shows with headphones in the bed, and she's pretty far away. On the pocket door to the toilet room, shower, bathtub is a full-length mirror, which is really nice. I love all these open cubbies. They're so nice. So far I'm really pleased with it. The pack and play came right away. Opening the door wasn't working with my phone, so I got out my Magic Band and it worked right away. So I would highly recommend, if you're bringing a baby to Disney, the Pop Century Resort for a value resort. I think I paid somewhere around $100. I think one night was like $113 and the rest were around $100 a night. So far I'm really happy with it. And I love the design. It's great for a baby and it's affordable. And we went to the Hippy Dippy pool and I had tie-dye cheesecake. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So good. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the room tour. Actually, you got 2 room tours at Pop Century Resort. One thing I wanted to show you, if you are looking for a baby, these pack and plays are hard as a rock, so they suck, and they don't go all the way to the ends. So I feel like that might be a suffocation hazard with the real little one. But Landon's fine with, you know, she's older now.